Hi, my name is Ashley. I'm from Imaginative Libraries, and I'm here to show you a quick winter-themed water resist art tutorial. For this tutorial, you will need watercolor paper, a paintbrush, a white crayon, and table salt. All right, here is my watercolor paper. I have put it on a baking sheet so the watercolor doesn't get all over the surface below the watercolor paper. And first, I'm going to take my white crayon and draw some snowflakes. I want to apply a little bit of pressure on my white crayon so that it really sticks to this watercolor paper. And then I am going to take some diluted watercolor and just draw right over the top. And as you can see right away, you can see our first type of water resist art. The wax that is in the crayon will immediately resist the water that's laid on top of it. Next, we're going to take our table salt and just sprinkle it over the top. And right away, you can also see how the salt is going to absorb the watercolor. Between the wax crayon and the salt, we have two different types of water resist going on here, meaning that the wax and the salt are just going to absorb some of the watercolor to create a wintry background. I hope everyone enjoys making their winter-themed water resist art. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye!